Only 1,163 miles on a 21 Snake Venom Road Glide Special. This bike's pretty cool. Low mileage. Very, very nice color. Very popular color. Hard to get. It's got tab slip-ons. Docking hardware. Sissy bar. It's hardly been ridden. It's got the balance of the factory warranty. I haven't looked it up yet, but it was only bought like 4 months ago, I think. And it's going to get its 1K service, get all checked out. This baby will be ready to ride home with somebody, find a new garage home. Help a bike out. Come on in and get one. If you're looking for a great touring bike, look no further. Not to mention, the paint's a conversation piece.